Okay, welcome back at tuloy pa rin tayo kung paano pakiligin si Miss Glyza De Castro at bibigyan pa natin ng last round itong mga guys natin. Alright guys, itong round na ito, wala kayong gagawin kundi meron kayong ibubulong kay Glyza but make sure magbablush siya or talagang i-smile siya.
Kasing pula daw ng lipstick ko.
Oo.
Alright guys, so mauna muna siguro si Mark. You wanna go first?
Go, Mark!
Okay, maximum ng 30 seconds lang ang ibubulong mo sa kana. Hindi namin tatanong, promise.
Yeah.
Ay, ano ba? Wala pa ka!
Pag hindi nag-work, you have to keep doing it para mag-smile siya or mag-blush.
Oo, huwag ka muna mag-smile. Okay, go. Ay, doon ka na para mag-timer starts na. Nadoon ka na. Sayang yung ilang seconds mo paglalakbay dyan. Okay, timer starts now. Glyza, ang ganda yun, ha?
Marka, what you doing, Marka?
Ay, time is up! Okay. We will not ask. Okay, you may go back to your ano. Okay. Next. Ano kaya yun?
Okay, ito
Okay, Victor. Aba, mabuti na yung nakakasigurado tayo. Baka mamaya kung ano sinasabi eh. Okay lang, Victor. Thank you so much.
Okay lang sa akin, basta ikaw.
Sayang na miss ko ulitin ko sa akin. Okay, game. Timer starts now. Okay.
Kayong dalawa, para kayong baliw dyan. Okay.
Okay.
Obviously, tumawa doon si si Glyza. Fabio, man.
Yes.
Fabio, mayos-ayos ka. Pwede kita maintindihan, ha? Ako talaga yung kasali sa contest. Sorry naman, I got carried away.
Oh, ikaw gonna be here?
Yeah, why? Don't like?
Medyo delikado eh.
Why?
Joke.
I have to be...
Joke lang.
Okay, game. 30 seconds. Mayos ka. 30 seconds.
Okay naman.
Kunyari kayong dalawa dyan.
Sayang, di ko narinig yung sa'yo, man.
Obviously, honey, nalilito ngayon si Glyza. Okay, kung sino kanyang pipiliin. Pati ikaw nakisali na.
At habang nag-iisip-isip si Glyza, naku, may bisita tayo from Los Angeles, California, na naganda sa atin ng isang espesyal na awitin, hindi ba, tatay?
Yes, nakapag-perform na siya sa mga international musicals tulad ng Miss Saigon, Germany, at sa King and I sa London, honey. And she's the first Phil-Amp to do a solo concert at the Carnegie Hall in New York.
Aba, ito na.
Yes, honey. Let's all welcome Miss Stephanie Rees.
Thank you so much.
He called and asked me to come over. He said that we would just hold hands. I said that I just don't believe him. He said I am a gentleman. I thought it over rather quickly. My heart was beating thump, thump, thump. So I showed up there looking pretty. And when he saw me, he just jumped. Lord. He said that I smelled like a fresh bundle of spring flowers. I said it's a new perfume that I put on just for him. He said that just to touch me puts his heart over the moon. I said, welcome to the Chakalaka Boom. Chakalaka laka 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 boom boom. Chakalaka laka 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 boom. I moved my hips around him and I took him to the moon with my chakalaka laka laka boom. Thank you so much.
Good morning,
Thank you so
Stephanie.
much. Hi,
Good
Stephanie
morning.
and
Hello.
Carmina. Hi.
Hello.
And that's Zoran.
Oh wow.
This is for you.
Welcome to our
Okay.
show. Shakalaka Boom. Is that the
yeah.
one?
I wrote that song.
You wrote that song.
Yes,
It's
I
a very nice song.
Thank you very much.
Galing,
Thank
diba? And congratulations to your show last night. You had a
Thank
show. You had a
you.
show at New World with the company.
Yes, with the company in Both Road, I want to say thank you everyone who came out to watch the show. We had such a great time. Very
Congratulations.
successful. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much again, Stephanie.
Yeah, happy
And hope you'll be
Valentine's
back again for more Shakalaka Boom.
Day. For sure. Thank you so
All
much.
right. Thank you so much. Si Liza kaya, tatay, sa tingin mo nakapag-desisyon na? Liza, ready ka na ba?
Sa tingin ko, hindi pa.
Sa ating pagbabalik, malalaman na natin ang kasagutan ni Liza. Dito lang yan sa
Love ni Mister.
Love TVC!